One of the things that I really like is when you have a good mustache day and everything seems to go right. Today I'm having one of those days. This is how I style my mustache. Today I'm going to be styling up with bone crusher. So for me, I like to eat my wax up. If you feel like it's starting to get a little bit more tacky than it should be for you, you can always put it back over the hairdryer, and you can use the hairdryer on your fingers too. So for me, I like rollers. And so I've got these little small rollers, and this is how I start mine. One of the things that I really like is when you have a good mustache day, and today I'm having one of those days. Is it because I'm using death grip? Possibly. Every day is a good day with death grip.